Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. How was your weekend? Did you guys get outside on Saturday? It was so pretty outside. I hope you enjoyed all of the nice weather, especially since it looks like it's going to rain and storm on us today. All right, so I have several things that I need to tell you on this Monday morning. Number one, all this week during reading, we're going to be learning about animals and specifically a lot of farm animals. And we have some fun videos ready for you. There's a couple of days where you're going to be doing a mystery science activity, so make sure that you check those out. And then on Friday, you guys did awesome, those of you that turned in your work on Friday with the insect choice board that we did. So we're going to do an animal choice board, but it's going to be a little bit different. You're going to have a few different options to choose. So that's exciting, kind of changing things up a little bit for reading. Let's see. Oh, tomorrow we will not have our Zoom meeting at 10:15. We are going to change the time and we're going to do it at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And that is because I am going up over the next couple of days. The teachers have specific times that we go up and we're packing up our classrooms for the end of the year. We're getting all of your stuff and putting it in sacks so that when you guys come up, you can grab your stuff. And the times for you guys to come grab your stuff are going to be Tuesday, May 19th from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, or you can come on Thursday, May 21st from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. So what you'll do is your parents will drive in. It'll be just like if you're a car rider at the end of the day. They'll announce your name. Somebody will come running out there with your bag of stuff, and you'll get your stuff for the end of the year since we left and we have lots of things still in our classroom. So there is that. Oh, the other thing I wanted to tell you is that I'm starting to get a lot of you turning in your assignment, but you haven't done any work. Okay, so I don't know if you're just not doing it or if you are doing your work and it's not getting added. So those of you that are doing that, I'm going to start contacting parents and see if there's an issue and you can't get your work to add to the assignment, or if you're just not doing your work. So make sure if you're going to take the time to watch the video, go ahead and do the work, or at least take a picture of your notebook so that you can get a grade for that, because if there's no work, then I can't give you a grade. All right. I think that was it. Check out our morning slide for a joke this morning, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.